I fucking hate this. Let's fucking go. Okay, in data by system, in the hunk vector data section, we have created 4 hunk vectors that are going to go inside of the hunk tetrad for function calls, exe. We have 4 hunk vectors that are going to go into the hunk tetrad for the calculated by hand hunk tetrad. Each tetrad contains 4 hunk vectors. In the hunk tetrad section, we're going to wire up UTM-EXE and UTM hand-calculated hunk tetrads. We're going to do that beneath the bomb simp setup. So, EXE setup, okay? So here are the 4 member vectors of UTM-EXE, and then we're also going to use array access on them as well, so we have to set them up once more here. And then in the setup for unit test main hand calculated hunk tetrad, we're going to set up the 4 vectors right here. We're going to wire them up and also wire them up for array access down here, okay? Down here in the hunkering system, this is the system function that splits up an explosion into a hunk tetrad, and we had to convert this from 0 to null to be correct, and also we need to pre-approve the unit test main executed hunk tetrad right here. Okay, that was a word salad. Let's move on. This error is still here in this function. In our unit test main, if we go down here, inside of this section, we have declared what 4 is. This is the blast reach of our explosions in our test cases. And then right here, see answer diagram. You'll have to do that in I don't have time. Okay, right here, I don't have time to read these for you. Pause here to read these. And then down here, we have declared all of these constants that are just what they say on the box, and then this is for I don't know. 3 underscores for I don't know. Here is our answer key table. UAK, unit test answer key. Here are all the variables that go into the answer key. For any test case, we have 4 records that come out. Test case 1, test case 2, test case 3, and test case 4 answers. And we don't know everything that goes in here yet. We just know the adjacent room indexes that are going to be spat out in our answer key. Okay, so right here, we're going to alias this to this because this is fucking long. Make sure there's exactly 128 elements in our answer key, and then we'll do the rest of this code later. And we still have not gotten to this. We'll get to that in another video. My name is Kanji Coder. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. We have no time here. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine.